everyone, Nikhil this side. I'm from Rajlakshmi Solution. I'm an implementer over here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will see the features of SPA, Smart Process Automation. For that, we need to just create one SPA. Uh, okay. For that, we just click on CRM and you can find the more option. You can find the SPA. Okay. So I just create one SPA. You can find the features initially only, all options selected, and empty SPA. So I just click initially only. You can find the features. You can find the custom pipeline and sales pipeline in SPA. For that, if this is the feature, you can create any multiple pipeline for a smart process automation, like deal pipeline and move item across various pipeline using the sales funnels and all. We can also customize a Kanban in SPA stages and Kanban. Create your own stages in smart process automation and control items traveling across those stages in a Kanban. Okay. We are also having the features of automation rule and trigger in SPA. Okay. For automated, the workflow and automated item will be using rule and trigger similar to running the automation rules and triggers in deals or leads. You can also having the workflow designer in SPA. We use the full feature workflow designer configure your workflow template to run the SPA accordingly. Also having the make a new pipeline to public. Whenever new pipeline is created, all roles granted to access to the new pipelines also. So this is the features of in SPA. Okay, so I just create one SPA. So I will show you the features. Okay, so we had successfully created the SPA. Okay, so just click on that SPA. You can find the features: Kanban view, list view, stages in Kanban, pipeline over here. As we selected the pipeline feature, we selected a automation feature. You can find the automation feature in SPA. You can find the workflow designer here. If you want to run the business process, you can with the help of this you can run. So these are the features of SPA. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comments below, and see you in the next one. Thank you.